Hey there, I'm Ryan Fitzhugh. I'm the manager at Post Oak Preserve. Let me show you what makes this property truly special and why this will be our most popular property to date. It's an exclusive community. We're offering 10 plus acre home sites. And I really love it that the property sits on top of a gorgeous ridge line. It has views as far as the eye can see, elevations, topography changes. Some are going to be more open and pasture-like with big sweeping views. Some are more heavily wooded like you're living in a state park. I've always been a fan of water features, and we have some really beautiful seasonal creeks and some private ponds here as well. So if you've been dreaming of a place where privacy and peace and natural beauty come together, you really owe it to yourself to come out and take a look. I've been with National Land Partners for 17 years. It's become very difficult to find high quality properties at affordable prices. This is one of the most manicured ranches I've ever seen in my entire career, and you're only 1 hour from Dallas, which makes it super rare, and you really got to come out here and put your own 2 feet on it and see what we have. You're gonna love these gorgeous views, beautiful trees, and rolling hills. Post Oak Preserve will have paved roads, electricity, and high-speed internet. This property really offers you a laid-back country lifestyle, but without giving up the benefits that a city has to offer. You're only 5 minutes away from town, where you're gonna find everything that you need, from grocery stores, gas stations, pharmacies, local restaurants, healthcare, and so much more. Outdoor enthusiasts, you're gonna feel right at home as well. You're only minutes from Cedar Creek Lake, which is one of the largest lakes in Texas. It's great for boating, fishing, swimming, etc. Nearby Lake Athens and Richland Chambers Lake offers even more opportunities for bass fishing, kayaking, and lakefront fun. So when you're ready to explore a little bit more, you're only a short drive from the cities of Waco and Tyler. Both are known for great shopping, dining, and beautiful parks. And for big city adventures, Dallas is only an hour away, offering everything from professional sports, theme parks, to luxury shopping and international travel. Whether you're looking to build your forever home, a weekend getaway, or a place to retire and unwind, Post Oak Preserve gives you the freedom to build now or later with any builder you choose. We have over 50 years in the land business, so you're going to be working with a land developer that truly understands how to do things right, from smart planning to lasting value. It's the kind of experience that gives you the confidence and peace of mind every step of the way. We have excellent financing, which makes owning land in this scenic part of Texas easier and more affordable than ever. This property truly has everything. Whether you're looking for big views, rolling hills, water features, and big mature trees, it has it all.
And there is no homeowners association.
So if Post Oak Preserve feels like the kind of place you've been searching for, give us a call today at 877-333-9414. We can't wait to meet you and your family and show you all around.